not asked us for 5 hours. We've been here.
No, but they've realised now, haven't they? So
It's been on the cameras. We're here every time.
Yeah, but
When it's not raining, when it's raining, we
all
come
we're
here.
asking you to do is
in the control room.
And tell them I said we keep the place clean.
Somebody.
We keep the place clean.
all we're asking you to do is move.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You lot from the
No one's else has said anything. We've been here every day.
What else have a job?
This is private company to manage.
Come talk to me.
Basically what's happening, they want us to move.
Why? What's going on, security? You know you don't want to move nobody.
Do you see any garbage in the bed?
You don't need to be. I have the video now. I have the video because I'm being told to move. I'm here cooking, feeding the homeless today. Everybody that's out here.
Wait, did you come to physical?
They've been here 5 hours and they've not said nothing until now.
Yes, people, we're outside in the rain. Yeah, man, this is it. The mission continues. The shopping trolley with 3 pots on there. The pulley are good vibes.
Bethlehem, come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the King.
Hey! So you told you could do it soon. You don't need to be. I have the video now. I have the video because I'm being told to move. I'm here cooking, feeding the homeless today. Everybody that's out here.
Wait, did you come to physical? That's what I'm saying, bro. You lot from the
No one's else has said anything. We've been here every day.
What else have a job? They're going into us in the control room.
And tell them I said we keep the place clean.
Somebody.
We keep the place clean.
Why? What's going on, security? You know you don't want to move nobody.
Do you see any garbage in the bed?
This is private company to manage. Come talk to me.
Basically what's happening, they want us to move. And I'm just cooking. It's raining, so I'm not even moving anyway, people, because I'm just handing out some food. Everybody's here eating their food. You understand? Sue's here on a buggy as well. A good vibes, people, So I'm here cooking. We're here feeding the homeless. Let's start sharing out some food. Come, let me start sharing out some food. Share out the food. You want food? You want food?
Yeah.
Let me eat some food.
I've got it on camera, bro.
Then do some food. Let me start sharing some food, please. See, you want some food?
They've been here 5 hours and they've not said nothing until now.
All we're asking is to do meters.
They've not asked us for 5 hours. We've been here.
No, but they've realised now, haven't they? So
It's been on the cameras. We're here every time.
Yeah, but
When it's not raining, when it's raining, we
all
come
we're
here.
asking you to do is move a few meters out of their property. Okay?
I was just feeding the people them first, so we have to.
I understand.
So the people them are hungry, innit?
If you can feed this fella, but just move it over a few meters, alright?
We've been here for 5 hours.
Is it not reasonable to say a few meters?
This is where they come.
But there was
Bro,
I've worked here for some time now. This is not where they come.
is it not reasonable to ask you to move a few meters?
It is, but we're not even doing anything wrong.
Yeah, but it's their property, isn't it? So it has to be moved a few meters.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
That's all it
this is
is.
private property.
We're not here. You're doing a fantastic.
This is private property. If we go past that line,
On the pavement.
We don't want to cause
we
problems.
just move over.
It's not a problem.
All we're asking you to do is move a few metres. Is it not reasonable? Do you think it's not reasonable? What's your answer?
I don't
Mr.
care.
Cameraman, do you talk or not?
Yeah, I just don't care to be honest with you.
It's not reasonable to move.
It's raining outside, yeah. So the reason why I came here, I'm cooking four times a week. So it was raining this camp, so I literally just came here to just come out of the rain. I'm not normally here because of the conditions of the weather, and I wanted to get the mission done by 10 minutes. And all this is done and it's done. So I don't know why I want to 10 minutes. 10 minutes and that's really done.
I'm trying to have a reasonable
They've been on the table. Alright. They've not said nothing.
Without this man living us,
We need to boycott Central, blood. Trying to stop the homeless feeding. Don't make no sense. I ban Central, blood.
All this commotion for trying to do a good thing. So all these lot got beds to go to, families to go to. They don't care about the homeless.
And that's till now, when they're shutting the shop up. We sleep here as well. They don't move us on, they don't.
Who's going into that shop right now?
Sorry?
Who's going? Oh, not even one person going into that shop right now.
The customers have said we're doing a good job.
Okay.
Yeah, so madness, we have to move up the kitchen.
Yeah. I need to get all my stuff over there.
Say them can't stop Ringo Vision pan the mission. When me say them can't stop Ringo Vision pan the mission. No time at all, people. Yeah, guess what? Yeah, the full video is coming out, people. Yeah, we're on the mission. Babylon come tear down the thing. You understand, people? Yeah, you must watch the full video to actually see what actually happened in the end, people. Yeah, thank you very much to each and every one of you that's on the journey with us, people. Yeah, it's been a good vibes. Remember the mission, yeah, is to reach out and help 1 million people. Yeah, those of you that's been asking me how you can donate and how you can contribute, look in the description. There's a GoFundMe link, everybody, yeah, and don't forget to leave your comments and let me know what you guys think of what's actually going on our journey, where you'd like to see me next, and who's gonna come out and help me on the mission as well. Please put it in the comment section and let's get talking, people, yeah, and let's try and connect and reach out to exactly where you guys are so that you guys can be involved on this mission with me. One love to each and every one of you, people, yeah. Come on, I've got vibes.